Here's problem 2 in the review packet. Alright, again, we have to find the value of the other 5 trigonometric functions of theta, and we are given the cosine of theta equals 5/6. So again, I've drawn myself a triangle, labeled it A, B, and C, and designated angle A to be theta. We know the ratio for cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, so the side adjacent to angle theta would be 5, and the hypotenuse is 6. So again, before we can go ahead and build our trigonometric functions, we need to find the last unknown side, which in this case is side A, and we're going to do that using the Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So I'm going to plug in my values. A squared plus 5 squared is equal to 6 squared, and I will evaluate and solve for A. So we'll see a squared plus 25 equals 36. I'm going to subtract 25 from both sides, and I'm going to get a squared equals 11. Take the square root of both sides, and a will equal the square root of 11. Alright, so this side is going to become the square root of 11. Now that I have all 3 sides, I can go ahead and evaluate all of my trig functions. So I'm going to start with sine. Sine of theta is opposite over hypotenuse, so here's my theta, opposite of square root 11 over my hypotenuse, which is 6. Oops, sorry. Cosine, well, that was given to us, so I'll just recopy that here. That's 5/6. And tan of theta, tan is adjacent over hypotenuse, or I'm sorry, tan is opposite over adjacent. That's square root of 11 over 5. Opposite side is square root of 11, adjacent side is 5. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the other 3 trig functions. We've got cosecant, secant, and cotangent. And as we said in problem 1, these trig functions are just the reciprocal of the first 3. So I'm going to flip them. We've got 6 root 11. Alright, so 6 divided by the square root of 11. Well, we know that this is not simplified because you can't have a square root in the denominator, so you will need to rationalize the denominator by multiplying by the square root of 11 over square root of 11. And you're going to get 6 root 11 divided by 11. Secant of theta is the reciprocal of 5/6, so that's 6/5. That's nice and easy. Cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent, so that's 5 divided by the square root of 11. We run into the same issue we did with cosecant. We have a square root in the denominator, so we'll need to rationalize it, and we will get 5 root 11 divided by 11. And problem 2 is solved.